Hello students, welcome to Quick and Digital Teaching System. I am your maths teacher and today we are learning Countdown 8. So before we start our topic, I would like to advise few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefit from Quick and Digital Learning. So like and subscribe to our school channel so don't miss any video. I watch multiple times video to find out the answers. So let us start our question and the question is you have given 5 values universal A, B, C and D. So universal has values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. A has value 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. B has value 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. C has value 1, 2, 3 and 8. And D has value 4, 5, 6 and 7. So with the help of these values, we can solve these questions like A union B, A union C, and etc. So let's start our question. And question number one is A union C. So before I start this question, I would like to define union. So what is union? So in union, we can write both values together in the form of one set. Like we have question A union C. So we can write the value of A and value of C together in the form of one set. So A has value 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 and C has value 1, 2, 3 and 8. So A union C has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. This is the final solution of A union C. Next part of this question A union D. So A has value 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 and D has value 4, 5, 6 and 7. So again we can write together in the form of one set. So A union D has 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and this is the final solution of A union D. Next part of this question C union D. So C has value 1, 2, 3 and 8 and D has value 4, 5, 6 and 7. So C union D has value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next part of this question C union universal. So universal has value 0 to 9 and C has value 1, 2, 3 and 8. So C union universal has value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and this value is also equals to universal and this is the final solution of C union universal. Next part of this question A union null set. So A has value 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 and null set has no any value so we can pronounce null set as an empty set. So we have value of A union null set has 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Next part of this question A intersection B. So in before starting this question I would like to define you intersection. So in intersection we can write the common values that can present in both sets. Means we have question A intersection B. So we can write the common values of A and B in the A intersection B set. So A has value 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 and B has value 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So nothing is common in these both sets. So we can write the answer A intersection B as null set or empty set. So next part of this question B intersection C. So again we can write the common values of B and C. So B has value 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 and C has value 1, 2, 3 and 8. So 1 and 3 are common in both sets. So B intersection C has value 1 and 3. Next part of this question C intersection D. So C has value 1, 2, 3 and 8 and D has value 4, 5, 6 and 7. So again nothing is common in these both sets. So C intersection D has value null set or empty set. So students hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answers and write the answer in your summer vacation copy within 24 hours to maintain your summer vacation learning as 10 marks included in your final term assessment. Hope to see you in next topic. Thank you.